Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical cat litter box, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Cat Litter Box, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cat litter box from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Neakasa M1 Open-Top Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box Automatic Cat Litter Box with APP Control. Say goodbye to scooping and hello to smart cleaning with the Neakasa M1 Open-Top Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Designed with your cat's comfort and your convenience in mind, this modern litter box features an open-top design that cats naturally prefer, perfect for large or multi-cat households. With a 14-day waste capacity, it's ideal for busy pet parents or short getaways. The Neakasa app lets you monitor litter levels, track usage, and control cleaning modes remotely, while advanced infrared and weight sensors ensure total safety for your feline friend. From kitten mode to a unique pull-and-wrap waste disposal system, everything is built for hygiene, ease, and comfort. Plus, the soft mat helps reduce litter tracking for a cleaner home. If you're ready for an upgrade that blends convenience, smart tech, and comfort, the Neakasa M1 is your go-to solution. Watch now to see why this could be the best cat litter box for your home. Number 2. PETKIT PuraMax 2. Automatic Self-Cleaning App. Control. Scoop-free cat litter box. Meet the PETKIT PuraMax 2, the ultimate automatic self-cleaning cat litter box designed for busy pet parents who want hands-free convenience and a cleaner home. This upgraded model features a new seamless cylinder structure with 360-degree sealing to prevent mess and odors, while the large 7-liter waste bin offers up to 15 days of scoop-free operation. Easily control everything from your smartphone using the PETKIT Smart app, track usage, monitor your cat's health, and adjust cleaning modes remotely. With multiple safety sensors, it ensures your cat's well-being during every use. The spacious 76-liter interior comfortably fits cats from 3.3 to 22-inch, making it perfect for multi-cat households. Plus, the 7.87-inch low-NG design is great for older or short-legged cats. The odor-reducing sealed waste bin and high-performance litter mat keep your home fresh and clean. If you're ready for a modern, mess-free solution, the PETKIT PuraMax 2 is one of the best smart litter boxes you can get. Number 3. CATLINK Self-Cleaning Automatic Double Odor Removal Cat Litter Box. Say goodbye to daily scooping with the CATLINK Self-Cleaning Automatic Cat Litter Box, your cat's new favorite bathroom upgrade. This smart litter box uses a rolling sifting system that separates waste from clean litter automatically after your cat leaves, saving litter and time. With a large 13-liter waste drawer, you only need to change the liner about once every 15 days based on one cat. Designed with multiple safety features like anti-pinch sensors, gravity detection, and a stable triangle base, it keeps your cat safe during every use. No Wi-Fi? No problem. This litter box works without any apps or setup. Just plug it in, add clumping litter, and it's ready to go. It also includes a carbon filter, an optional odor purifier that eliminates up to 90% of odors, keeping your home fresh. Perfect for cats. From 3.5 to 22 cats, the CATLINK litter box is one of the best self-cleaning solutions for modern pet owners who want a cleaner, hands-free lifestyle. Number 4. Furrytail Self-Cleaning with APP Automatic Cat Litter Box for all your cats. Say goodbye to scooping with the Furrytail Self-Cleaning Automatic Cat Litter Box, the modern solution for a cleaner, smarter cat care routine. This app-controlled litter box tracks your cat's bathroom habits, monitors weight changes, and flushes waste after every visit for a consistently fresh environment. Perfect for multi-cat homes, it recognizes each cat through built-in weight sensors and logs individual data in the health tracking app. With smart safety features like proximity detection and auto pause, your cats stay protected at all times. The low-entry design and adjustable nightlight make it senior and munchkin-friendly, while the fully washable drum and simple drainage outlet offer hassle-free deep cleaning. Just change the waste bag every 5 days. No scooping, no mess. Designed with both your cat's comfort and your convenience in mind, The Furrytail litter box blends sleek style and high-tech function. If you're looking for the best automatic litter box experience, this is a must-have for any modern cat parent. Number 5. Whisker Litter Robot 3 Connect Automatic Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. The Whisker Litter Robot 3 Connect is the ultimate solution for cat owners tired of scooping litter. This self-cleaning litter box uses a patented sifting process to automatically separate waste from clean litter, making maintenance a breeze. The built-in carbon filter reduces odors, keeping your home smelling fresh and clean. With the Whisker app, you can monitor your cat's litter box habits, receive notifications when the waste drawer is full, and control the box from anywhere. Designed for up to 4 cats, it's perfect for multi-cat households, as long as each cat weighs at least 5 pounds. Plus, the litter robot is compatible with any clumping cat litter, making it flexible and convenient. Made and assembled in the USA, it comes with a 1-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind. With the Litter Robot 3 Connect, you'll never have to scoop again, and your cat will always have a clean, odor-free environment. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.